Welcome to the future of smartphone technology, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This isn't just another iteration, it's a leap forward, a game changer in the realm of smartphones. With this masterpiece, Apple continues its tradition of pushing boundaries and redefining our expectations. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is more than just an upgrade. It's a revolution, an embodiment of innovation and sophistication. Its features are a testament to Apple's dedication to delivering the extraordinary, with enhancements that go beyond the surface, making your everyday tasks feel effortless and your complex tasks seem simple. This device is not about keeping up with the competition, it's about setting new standards, paving the way for the future of smartphones. So, are you ready to explore this trailblazer? To experience the culmination of craftsmanship, technology, and design that is the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the world of this stunning device. First off, let's talk about the network and body design of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This device comes with outstanding network capabilities. It's fully equipped for the 5G era, meaning you can enjoy lightning-fast downloads, high-quality streaming, and seamless connectivity, no matter where you are. Now let's move on to the body design. The iPhone 15 Pro Max sports a sleek and sophisticated design that is both eye-catching and functional. The materials used are durable, ensuring your device can withstand the rigors of daily use. It's crafted with the finest quality glass and surgical-grade stainless steel, embodying a perfect balance between elegance and resilience. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is available in a range of colors. Each color is thoughtfully selected and meticulously crafted to ensure that it complements the device's premium feel. With such a design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is not only a device but an accessory that complements your style. Now, let's shift our focus to the display and platform of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Imagine a world where colors are more vibrant, visuals are more captivating, and every pixel is a spectacle in itself. Welcome to the display of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Crafted with precision, it boasts a resolution so high that every image comes to life. The Retina display, synonymous with Apple's commitment to quality, has been taken to a whole new level. It's not just about viewing, it's about experiencing. The color accuracy and depth you get are truly unparalleled, making every scroll, every swipe, a feast for your eyes. But what's a great display without an equally remarkable platform, right? Well, the iPhone 15 Pro Max doesn't disappoint. Nestled within this marvel of technology is the heart of the device, the operating system. The latest iOS version, optimized for speed and efficiency, ensures a seamless user experience. It's the bridge between you and the stunning display, making every interaction smooth and intuitive. But that's not all. Powering this beast is the advanced A16 Bionic chip. It's the brain of the device, allowing for lightning-fast processing and impressive multitasking capabilities. Whether you're launching apps, playing resource-intensive games, or simply browsing the web, the iPhone 15 Pro Max performs like a champ. The combination of the operating system and the processor ensures that the device can handle anything you throw at it with ease. And let's not forget about the graphic performance. The 4-core GPU handles all your graphic-intensive tasks, delivering smooth and stunning visuals every time. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or editing a video, the iPhone 15 Pro Max provides an immersive viewing experience that's hard to match. With such a display and platform, every interaction with the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a delight. From the moment you unlock your device to the moment you set it down, it's a journey of visual brilliance and unrivaled performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max truly sets the bar high, once again proving why it's the undisputed leader in the smartphone market. Scene script. Next up, let's explore the memory and camera capabilities of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. When it comes to memory, the iPhone 15 Pro Max doesn't skimp. This device boasts remarkable storage options that are designed to cater to all your needs. Whether you're a casual user who only needs space for a few choice apps and selfies, or a power user who's always running out of room for your high-definition photos and videos, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has got you covered. With options ranging from a generous 64 gigabytes to a whopping 1 terabyte, you can store all the memories and apps you need without worrying about running out of space. But what use is all that storage if you don't have a great camera to capture those high-quality images and videos? Well, the iPhone 15 Pro Max excels in this area too. The main camera on this device is nothing short of superb. With a resolution that's through the roof, your photos and videos will be crystal clear, capturing every minute detail with precision. And that's not all. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's main camera comes equipped with additional features that will make every shot a masterpiece. The portrait mode, for instance, allows you to take professional-grade photos with a depth of field effect that beautifully blurs the background while keeping the subject in sharp focus. Night mode, on the other hand, ensures that your low-light photography is top-notch, capturing stunning images even in the darkest conditions. Moreover, the iPhone 15 Pro Max's main camera is designed for the future. With its advanced computational photography features, it can intelligently adjust settings for each shot, ensuring the best possible outcome. This, combined with the device's ample storage, means you can take as many stunning photos and videos as you like without worrying about space. With such memory and camera capabilities, the iPhone 15 Pro Max truly stands out in the smartphone market. Let's now delve into the selfie camera and battery life of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This device takes the selfie game to a whole new level, offering a camera quality that's second to none. It's not just about pixel count, it's about the technology that's packed behind it. From low-light photography to wide-angle shots, the selfie camera has got you covered. The camera also features advanced image stabilization, ensuring that your selfies are always sharp and clear, even in the shakiest of hands. Now let's talk about the portrait mode. It's not just a filter, it's an intelligent system that uses machine learning to create stunning depth of field effects. This means your selfies will have that professional touch, with a beautifully blurred background that really makes the subject pop. But what's a good camera without good lighting? The iPhone 15 Pro Max has advanced lighting effects that you can adjust in real time. Whether you want to add a dramatic studio lighting effect or simply brighten up your face, you can do it all with just a few taps. Moving on to the battery life, which is just as impressive as the camera. On a full charge, the iPhone 15 Pro Max can last an entire day, even with heavy use. That's right, you can browse the web, watch videos, play games, and still have juice left over by the end of the day. And when it's time to recharge, the device supports fast charging, so you can get back to full power in no time at all. The iPhone 15 Pro Max also has an intelligent battery management system. This system learns your daily patterns and optimizes battery usage accordingly. So, if you usually charge your phone overnight, it will slow down the charging process to reduce battery wear. With such a selfie camera and battery life, the iPhone 15 Pro Max ensures you're always ready to capture moments and stay connected. Finally, let's talk about the performance of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. When it comes to performance, the iPhone 15 Pro Max truly shines. It's quick, it's efficient, and it's reliable, ensuring that it's ready to deliver whenever and wherever you need it to. The speed of this device is truly something to behold. Whether you're opening multiple apps, playing high-definition games, or streaming your favorite shows, the iPhone 15 Pro Max handles it all with ease. But speed isn't everything, and Apple knows this. That's why they've ensured that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is as efficient as it is fast. The battery lasts longer than ever, even when running the most demanding of apps. The device manages its resources intelligently, ensuring that you get the most out of every charge. And let's not forget about reliability. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is built to be dependable. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, and its robust build quality means it's less likely to let you down. But the iPhone 15 Pro Max is more than just a powerhouse. Its features and benefits extend far beyond its performance. From its stunning display, which offers vibrant and lifelike colors, to its impressive camera setup that lets you capture moments in the highest quality, this device has it all. It's not just about what it can do, but how it can enhance your life. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers an unparalleled user experience. It's intuitive, it's user-friendly, and it's designed to make your life easier. Every feature, every design choice has been made with you in mind. In summary, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a device that truly delivers. It's a device that doesn't compromise on performance, offering speed, efficiency, and reliability in one sleek package. It enhances your life with its impressive features and benefits, and it's designed to make your digital experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. With such performance, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is more than a smartphone, it's your reliable partner in this digital age.